to change channel orders on YouTube TV. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change channel orders on YouTube TV. So first of all you have to do is just simply go to your preferred browser, and after that just simply search for tv.youtube.com and you will be landed to the official website of YouTube TV. And after that just simply log into your account using your credentials, and once you are logged in into your YouTube TV account, all you have to do is just simply click on the profile section from the top right corner of the mobile screen or your web browser screen, and from there just simply go to the settings option from the list over here. And at the left hand side of the menu you will be able to see the option called live support or live guide, which will look something like this. Just simply tap on live guide, and as soon as you click on live guide option over here, then you can prioritize your channels. For example, you can click on this I bar, just simply disable or enable it. It will hide or unhide the channel of your YouTube TV that you would want to see, and you can, and once you disable them, then these channel will come up on the top channel list, and from there you can simply drop down and drag upper and lower case. So you can simply pick these and put it over here, and put this and put it over there. So you can prioritize your channel list and create the channel order as per your likings. So for example, you want to put FS2 at the top of FS1. Just simply click on FS2 and hold it, and just simply drag at the top of FS1, and that's how you will be able to create your own channel order in the YouTube TV settings option. And once you are done doing that, just simply create your own channel history or channel order like that. And this is basically how you will be able to change channel orders on YouTube TV. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.